Okay guys, we got this 11 Tiguan. Scanned it for codes. I want to show you this real quick. They said it's a crank no start. I didn't crank it yet. Okay guys, we got this 11 Tiguan and I scanned it for codes. They said it's a crank no start. And if we look down here, we got this fuel pump relay open or short circuit to ground. See that? It'll crank, but it doesn't start. So let's look at our fuel pressure. Okay, so we're going to ECU. We'll go down to live data. Fuel pressure is usually towards the bottom. I don't know if this will crank long enough though to tell us. Let's see. Don't see fuel pressure. I think we might have missed it. Something tells me it's in the 90s. Nope. 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 Where is this? There we go. Look at that. We're at 60 psi. I think that's our problem. No fuel pressure, because 60 is probably the lowest we can read. Oh, there it goes. See that? We're not building fuel pressure. No high pressure. So let's get to our fuel pump. Okay guys, so we are probed into, it's hard to see. It's the middle wire in the fuel pump module. Got to it, took the seats out. Probed into it, so you can see that. And then if we go to our second pin right here, let's see. Our test light lights, that's 10 amps, okay? Because I got both filaments of the bulb, okay? So that's our ground. So if we go to this next one, look at this. Let's see. It's hard to get in here. Let's see. You can hear our fuel pump turns on and our bulb lights. So if we set this up so it doesn't burn anything. Let's see, compressor just turned on. So you see that's lit? Let's see if we can start this car up without falling. There we go. And now the car's running. This ain't making good connection. There you go. So now we got fuel pressure. So our pump's running, that's why our light's lit. And actually we can go back. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's go to engine. This ain't making good contact and I don't want to melt my wires. Let's go to live data. Let's go back down to fuel pump. Where's our fuel pump? Fuel pump, fuel pump, fuel pump. Fuel pump. Let's see. I don't see our fuel pump. I forget what this is under. Oh, there it is. Fuel rail pressure. See the duty cycle of the fuel pump being commanded there. Now we turn the light back on. I think this thing's gonna die though. To leave it off. So let's see what happens. Up guys, it's about to die. I think it almost died. You see our fuel pump. Oh, it did die. So we got a bad fuel pump module here guys. Because we jumped it. And you can see our fuel pressure. It went down. And we have no light right here. So pretty sure we got a bad fuel pump module, and it probably needs a pump because the pump probably killed the fuel pump module. But like I said, if I jump these back up, let's jump the middle one to the last spot. There we go, it's lit back up. Fuel pressure says, look, 150 psi. Start it up. There we go, it fired right back up. And like I said, if we take this off, after about like a minute or so, it'll die down. See, there it goes, it's starting to drop. There it goes, it died. And you see our duty cycle go up. We might be able to see the pump being commanded. Oh my god, look at the diagram again. Okay guys, so I went on the duty cycle wire, which is the yellow one right here, using the Zeus Labscope. Got the Autel right here, watch this. So if we press, I went into active test right here, fuel pump electronics. It's under the engine, you see the engine control module, watch this. You see the pulse right here. Let's see, can I just drag this over here? There you go. So let's let this end, I'll show you guys this again. So we'll press start again, and you'll see as the percentage goes up here for the duty cycle, it just keeps ramping up. You'll see it go up here. I don't know if it's supposed to drop out like that, but it does this like on and off toggle every so often. Let's see, let's go to 100 milliseconds. There you go, so now you see two of them, two pulses. Watch this. There you go. So this needs a fuel pump driver module, and I'm going to tell them to put a fuel pump in it too. So hope you guys like this one. See you later.